WP Online Services पे खुश आमदीद. Let's start a new video. Welcome to WP Online. We just have to click at here. Then we just click on a management. We just add a step-by-step procedure. First of all, you have to add a company detail. Even though this is my company, just like WP Online Services. If you have a text number, you have to add a text number. That's my dummy text number. Even though you have to add a shop first, street second, properly shop 2, street 3, just like that. Near to area that's appear in a bill, that's a bill number. Just bill number from start for 0. Additional street name if you have, a plot identification number if you have, district if you have, postal code if you have, just like I'm just putting a dummy postal code. And if you have city name, just like I'm putting a city name is Islamabad or a New York or just like that. NYC, it's a trending name, that's what we call it, NYC. State of America, you can put that. State of Pakistan, you can put that. You can, even though you select your country, just like I'm from country and NYC, it's our capital. It's the wrong information. Basically, it's ISB is our capital. That's why we call them ISB. Phone number, just like starting in Pakistan, just like 923. That's why it's 11-digit phone number and your email and at the rate of Gmail. It's a dummy email. That's why put them a dummy email. Even though you can put your bank account numbers or details if you need. Rather than that, you can't put that. Okay. Just like white reasons, basically refresh. You can add a white reasons. My logo. You can add your logo from your PC. If you have logo, that's why you can put that here. I'm just to have this logo. Just put that this logo. Okay, this is the main things how you can put that. And reset database if you need a data install database in any kind of backups, just like browsers or a partition, you can back up that data or even you can reset your databases. This is the way how you can properly add your logos. And now then this setup is done. This is the basic information you can add in your these setups. This is the best way you can add them. Now you can add this is the properly okay. Now you can taxes. You can add your tax rates in Pakistan just like we have tax rates. Just let's suppose if we have a FBR tax, you can add that FBR tax. General sale tax, you can add a general sale tax. If you have a tax code and then percentage, it's a fixed. Just like I call that it's a fixed text. Just like it's a dummy text fixed. Okay, this is the text. Okay, you can add that and click on save button. Now your text is enabled and properly appeared on your bill. Then click on countries. You can select your country. Okay, my country is basically Pakistan. Then I just my currency now properly converted into PKR. That's why we call them a Pakistan. Where is Pakistan? Just searching me. It's a PKR. That's why you have to select a PKR. It's your country. That's why we call them a country code. It's a PKR, and you can select that country. Okay, and it's a Pakistan. Then you can save that. Payment types, which payment types you want to enable in your bill. If you need to add this payment type, you can enable that one. This is the enable options. If you need a cash, you can enable customer requirement, you can also enable this. Or other than that, you can enable a card if you need, or even a check. But in Pakistan we don't need any kind of check. That's why we can disable that. Quick payment disable, print slip disable, mark paid is disable, and open browser is disabled. It's a customer requirements and are disabled. Everything is disabled. Now it will not appear in your, even though you can delete that. Okay, you can delete that. Even though you can add a new payment type just like Jazz Cash or Easy Pasha, any kind of payment gateways use UB Cash in any kind of payment gateways in your country, just like some countries use Stripe or Google Pays. You can add that, Apple Pays, anything you need that. Okay, just like how to add, just click on name. You can put name Apple Pay. Okay, shortcut key AP. Okay, yeah, rather than that you can add that 2 or a 3. It's a short keys is 3. And okay, done. This is now enabled in your bill. This is the short keys, you can call that 3. And user security, you can add your user that here. Add a username, just like I call them a receptionist. Okay, last name, if have a username properly, just like we have early. Okay, last name, if username have lead receptionist, we call them lead receptionist, email and their password, and security level 1, security level 2, security level 3. What is meant by security levels? You can also check the official website, have a security levels definitions, just like everyone have a security level, defined security levels. They can access this, they can access this, they can access this. In my previous video, we can add a properly brief that how much security level is better or not. If someone has three access level, someone have four access level, it's appear at here. If it will appear in a one access level, if it appear on a two access level, you can set from here. Even though you can also click on help, or you can properly check what are the security levels, and properly this website defines you. Rather than that, I recommend my videos properly. If you in comment, I will properly share URL in your comment properly. Okay, you can add promotions. If you have a product, you can add a promotion on such type of product, but we don't add a product right now, that's why we can't add promotions. Let me add a product first. Firstly, I'm click on new product. Just like I have product of cold drink or a water, it's upon you. You can add that. Even though you can add a barcode, rather than that you generate a barcode from here. Rather than that, someone uploaded a CSV file, you can also upload that. Even though price and taxes, you can add that. This the cost is 120. Okay, and markup, you need to add markup 15%, it's included with tax. Rather than that, you need to add markup at 35%. You will appear that. Stock control, this is the best thing. You can add a walk-in customer. Okay, and comments, you can properly add comments, or even though you can add your pictures at here or transparent. If you need to add picture, you can click at here and add the picture of your product, and then blah. Okay, done. This is your product will be added at here. Even though someone purchased the cold drink, it properly appeared in this document list. Okay, even though a product price list, okay, or even though in a stock list, or even though a reporting, this is basically managed your front end POS, point of sale display. It will manage your point of sale display, and this will manage your promotionals and a customers. Okay, if you have customer, walking customer, this is called a walking customer. You can add properly their name or a phone number. Properly you can add your customers and suppliers at here, and properly generate reporting, and this is your dashboard. Let me test orders. Let me place a test order. I call them cold drink. Okay, hope so. Product name at here, I'm searching with the product name. That's why I'm just call the, okay, I'm just search which product I have. Product name, it will not appear properly, that's why we have to again search for cold. Okay, it's a cold drink. Just try to see, this is a cold drink. Now this is the Apple Pay. If you click on Apple Pay, CTRL +3, it's a shortcut key. That's why we have to edit. It's a cache. We call them a cache. Even though print a script, even though you need to properly configure your printer, that's why it's print invoice. Rather than that, we have to print invoice. Okay, let me show you how this script will be appeared in front of you. It will appear, let me save again. I'm just choosing this desktop option. Hope so it's better for you. Okay. We can name it, properly. Unauthorized access block, that's my system's securities. Okay, we call them SSA. We can save that, drop down that, and just go for SSA. So this is the way. Your business name, property details of your business, invoice, customer details at here. Even though you can properly add your customers, regular customers, you can add in your properly point of sale. It's better for you. And you can add also these things, and this is your company logo appeared in this software. The best software for usage, and hopes you understand that. Even though you can send the email. Okay, done. Okay, continue. The customer name, I'm just cancel it out. Continue that. Okay, this is the main thing, how you can sell your thing properly. Let me click at here, view sale history. Then I make that sale history, it will properly appear at here. Even though your documents, you can search all the products at here from just go search. It's a paid, it's a properly walk-in orders. And you can also search a product. This is the product you have. You can also search a stock. This is a stock you have. You can also search a product list. This is the product list you have, even though you have product reporting from here. Let me check how the reporting works. Basically, we don't know how the reporting works. Let me check you. Even though you can't delete that things from here. Let's suppose I'm just click on products report. This is the product report we have this product. It will show properly in reports. Even though someone deletes from another part, but they can't delete reports, it will appear properly at here. Show the export, and this is the export from at here. And you can also check the tax rates, show the tax rates report. Even though you also properly have a proper report in front of you, if you have properly checking reporting properly. With the help of reporting, you can manage all of things, and you are working customer suppliers. These are easy setups how you can properly set up Aronium POS. It's too easy to set up. If you need more videos, and if you have any questions, I hope so this videos covered a lot of questions from you guys. And if you need to know about any shortcuts or any type of question, you have to comment at below, and I'm properly answer that questions in my separate times. I will properly make video for you, but you have firstly subscribed my video, then I will answer your comment. Rather than that, you can't subscribe my channel, I can't answer you. Okay, that's why you have to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you. Hope so. You take care. Allah Hafiz.